Hello! Welcome back to our vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while because I'm lazy. But my son, my sweet son, told me, Mom, why don't you ever do videos anymore? I liked it when you did videos. And then my husband was like, you haven't done a video in a while. Why don't you do videos anymore? I get the impression that my family enjoys doing videos. Anyway, I do too. There's been a lot. Today we're going to go to the Discovery Place Nature Museum in Charlotte. We have a membership that we bought back in February, and Tim has the day with the family. So he's meeting us over there. We're gonna go see what that's all about. I'm not really sure. I've never actually been there. It looks interesting. There's a butterfly house, so that's exciting. I'm just waiting on Jacob to grab his glasses and get in the car, and then we're gonna head out and see what is happening at the Nature Museum. It should be fun. Look, we made it to the museum. It's in the middle of nowhere. I need to find a way to zoom in on one of these bumblebees. This state has bumblebees that are roughly the size of helicopters. Alex, what have you found?
Tadpoles, frogs.
What is it called when it only has back legs? A froglet? Where is one? Did you find one?
Rock.
On the, oh look, there is one on the rock. This one has legs. Oh, hello you. Lily. It's an alligator.
It's a baby alligator that Mom, Daddy, and Emma found.
Yeah.
Where's the baby?
Stillest my kids have ever been because they're all waiting for a butterfly to land. Did you get one, Jacob?
Yes.
Oh look, there's a butterfly on your finger. Wow. Is that so cool?
Yes.
Yes. He's so focused. You got Lily, so slow down, you caught one. Are you so excited? There's a butterfly on you. It is really hot and sweaty in here, and I'm standing here anyway because my children want to catch butterflies. They don't like Emma so far. Jacob's caught like 5. 1 landed on me. By caught, I mean let them land on, because of course we don't catch them. That's not kind. Lily caught 1 too. We're gonna try for 1 more, and then I'm out of here. It's hot. Emma has found her calling. She's talking to the dove. See? You found your calling. Walking out here through nature, and I'd like to make an observation. We moved from a very green place where it rained a lot to a subtropical place where the rain is more concentrated less often. Still very green, but it's loud here. Now they stop. There's always birds chirping. Kind of like it. It's pretty and green and there's birds chirping. Fortunately, there's also lots of poison things like ivy and snakes. Speaking of poison ivy, we found a whole bunch of that in our yard. That's a story for another time.
Hi.
Nature has been disturbed. Hi. We're having fun. Like he's like, do videos, and then I try and talk to him, and he's like, every time. Nothing to say. Nothing to say. I guess you're just a pretty face.
Yeah.
You're so much more than a pretty face, my darling child. We found a beehive, and look, we found the queen. See, look, she has a red dot right there. That's the queen in the hive. We just learned, oh, it's not focusing. We just learned that man bees are used to make more bees, and then they're kicked out of the hive because they eat too much food. Oh my goodness. The groundhog rolled over, look at him. Lazy bones. Hilarious. So we finished at the museum. That was really cool. That was a fun little museum, huh, Jacob? Was it fun? Jacob?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Yeah.
It was.
Sorry, he gets distracted. Oh, again. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, there. Say hi. Oh my God.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
So that was fun. We went to the museum. We had a lot of fun. Now I think we're going to go try and find some food. Tim has an engagement to attend in South Carolina. So that's why we have 2 cars. And that's why we're going, or where we're going now. So. We bring them to the great outdoors to play. And they're playing statue. They never stand this still inside. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Can you tell me a story?
Yeah. One little tiny baby lizard we found is a baby frog.
You found a lizard that was a baby frog?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Then a tadpole.
What?
A baby tadpole.
Oh,
And a baby.
okay.
What? Daddy found the baby.
Found the baby what?
Lizard.
Oh,
But we found the dad lizard.
awesome. I'm standing right here though. You don't gotta scream.
Mommy, we were taking, and Mom, guess what kind? We're
The big one has a bug bite.
right there.
Oh, I sorry. All right, let's go play at the park. There's a park over there. Let's go play at it.
Okay, sit,
So
sit.
we went to the park. We're done at the park.
I am
We're going home. I'm not gonna lie. Having a little bit of a carb coma issue.
I am
We stopped and ate Chick-fil-A and I'm tired. And I want to go to sleep. And my children,
I am also dying.
I need water
despite having run around all day, are being obnoxious.
I need water to spill on myself.
Me
You
and
need to
Alex are
take that mask
dying.
off your face.
Me and Alex are dying.
Anyway, we're heading home now. We've had a big day.
Me and Alex
Museum.
are dying.
Okay, you're not actually dying. Museum and then Chick-fil-A and play, and then we came to the park after Tim's meeting thing. Now I'm tired, so we're just gonna go home. Lily, can you say bye? Tell everybody bye.